Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ignored Corner. Today, we're diving into a common error you might encounter while programming in C, the Lvalue required error. Let's break down what this error means and how to fix it. Here's a piece of code that demonstrates the issue. Now, if you try to compile this, you'll get an error that says, Lvalue required. But what exactly does this mean? An Lvalue is essentially something that can appear on the left-hand side of an assignment. In other words, it's a variable that can hold a value. So, what's going wrong here? The issue lies in the way the ternary operator is used. The compiler gets confused with the statement after the colon. It sees this part. Without parentheses, the compiler interprets G equals B as assigning B to the result of the expression to the left of the second equal sign. Since this result isn't an Lvalue, or a variable, it throws an error. So, how do we fix this? It's simple. Just enclose the statement after the colon in parentheses. Like this. By adding parentheses, you're telling the compiler to evaluate G equals B as a whole, making G the Lvalue, and eliminating the error. Let's see it all together again. Here's the corrected code. With this small change, the code compiles successfully, and G is assigned the value of variable A or variable B based on the condition. And there you have it. A quick fix to a common Lvalue required error in C. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more programming tips that are often overlooked. Thanks for watching The Ignored Corner. See you next time.